Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are dehydrating yummy blueberries. So to start off, we're setting it for 135. I recommend checking on them every hour to every hour to 2 hours. It depends on how many trays you're going to have. So we'll check on it every probably hour and a half to 2.5 hours. So we're setting it at 135. Okay, the blueberries are just about done. Few bigger ones here. Oh, and they're so delicious. Alright, and here's the end results. The blueberries turned out great. Good.